anything you could say, because this started for me like 4 months ago. And the first month was really intense. And then things stabilized. But now I'm going through another wave where I'm okay, I'm stable. But I feel like, this Kundalini has taken a wrecking ball to my ego, my life, I'm going to be somebody new, but it just feels sometimes very difficult and intense. Sometimes it's amazing and life-changing insights, but like I had a very rough night last night. I feel fear coming out, and I don't know, just anything you might say about this process, because it does feel like it's destroying the person I was. And anyway, I think you got the idea of the question, I hope.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I haven't heard it described that way, but I think that's a very apt description. It's like it's taking a wrecking ball to the ego. Not an easy thing to survive or to go through, not at all. And I think everybody here can relate on some level to the what we can say within this contest, the destructive nature of this process. It comes and absolutely destroys the things that are in the way of us, living our fullest potential and living in connection with the divine. And that's not an easy thing to go through. So I can say it's not unusual. I mean, this is how it goes. We get destroyed. For some it's gentle, for some it's a little intense, for some it's intense for short periods. Like you said last night, it was pretty intense. We do have these nights where it's hammering away. So what I would suggest, and this I say to almost everybody because it's probably the number one thing I can give, is do everything you can to make the shift from victimhood to a state of empowerment. This is like you have something in the way of, like, say it's kind of like maybe you have a tumor. You go to a surgeon and they're going to cut you open to remove the tumor, but you're not a victim of that process. You're not a victim of the surgery. This is what happens. And so if you can make that shift and recognize what God is doing to you and surrendering and trusting and saying, well, this is what you want from me. Okay, then so be it. This process is the same process that the caterpillar goes into in the cocoon to become the butterfly. If you look at what happens, it melts. The caterpillar completely melts into like a liquid and is then reformed into the butterfly. The wrecking ball will break down everything in the way of you embodying your divine nature. It's not an easy process. I see you have a crucifix behind you. That is a symbol of the crucifix. This is what it represents. Jesus was crucified on the cross. He died. It was a death. The wrecking ball got him, and then he was, reconfigured, or whatever remains was God. And that's when he came back and said, now I'm, seated at the right hand of the Father. That's the journey. The Buddha went through it too under the Bodhi tree. So when you have those nights where they're difficult, or the meditation sessions, or those days, you can understand that metaphorically you're on your cross, you're under the Bodhi tree, you're in your cocoon. And so if you understand that, you can shift out of victimhood. But hey, if you want to feel like a victim, that's fine too, because that's what's also being burned up. A major part of our ego is, woe is me, everything sucks, why did this happen to me? That's part of it too. That's also being brought up to be processed. So you've come this far, you understand, you found this community, and you got the word Kundalini, and there's so many people that you can see that are going through this. So you just ride it out. I've been through similar stages myself. Difficult. I understand it's not easy, and that's why I'm doing this work here to just reassure. But the wrecking ball is making space for, maybe a new skyscraper to come forth, you could say. How does that sound?
Good. Yeah, no, I don't really feel like a victim. I'm very happy this happened.
Good.
It's just been very intense in certain moments. And yeah, and that's all. Maybe right now, it's one of those moments, because I went through, weeks and weeks that I didn't have the intense stuff, but I've had a lot of trauma in the past. I know how to deal with it, and I've been, and I've been dealing with it before this happened a lot. And so I know how to deal with it, thank
Good.
God. If not, this would have, I don't know what it would have done. I think, it can really mess a person up if they're not ready for it. But yeah, it's just a matter of keeping going, I guess. And yeah, but I'm very grateful. I mean,
Great.
yeah.
Good. Yeah. So you said you've got you know how to manage it, and that's key. Some sort of practices, approaches, modalities, whatever it is, as long as we're doing our part to support ourselves through this process. Sounds like you've got that under control. So great. You said there was a second part to your question or another question?
Oh, well, if you want me to ask it, I
Go ahead.
guess I'm curious because you're in touch with a lot of people who've gone through this. And are you seeing a pattern, like it's increasing, like there are a lot of people? Do you feel that this is, a mass awakening? I guess I'm interested in hearing, your view on that, because you have more of an overview than me, that's for sure.
Oh yeah. I mean, look at how many people are here. This is mind-blowing to me. Um, there's something very significant happening. I would actually say within the past like month, something just sped up. Maybe others here have felt it, but the past month has been a major shift. I see many people nodding. I'm blown away. I thought maybe, two people would be here. This is incredible. And just by looking around, we see other people are going through this. We're not alone. We're not going crazy. And I think this is even just the beginning. So yes, it's happening very quickly. People, unsuspecting people who have no relationship to any of spirituality or anything, and they're going through this too. And so I think I invite all of us, when we feel ready, share in some capacity or another. I don't mean writing a book or anything, but just be open so that others can find some breadcrumbs, because it's happening very, very quickly for all of us. Great. Thank you
Thanks.
for your questions. Thank you so much.